Hey everyone, this is Airplane312 here. So I'm going to tell you what happened in 2000 in May 1st of 2013. It's when I got my first job. Not a special needs program job. I actually a physical real job. And I applied for being the bookkeeper and stuff. That was really fun when I got trained, and for any combinations I got, they were easily followed, they were easily given and stuff. Then, fast forward, I was doing housekeeping, merchandising, partially doing deli, and then part of my program and stuff, I was doing tills during my requirements for my college type deal. So I probably knew the tire place when I knew the tire place. Just a minute. What do you want, Lap? No ball time. Yeah, you really want this. Okay, this is going to be part of the view. So fast forward, I actually took my first medical leave. I think it was going on my third year of working at the place. I took my medical leave and stuff. I was still employed with the place because I couldn't handle it. And then, unfortunately, after a while, I went back and started working. And then it was my sixth grade year working at my work is when my aunt got cancer. So I started working less hours because of my health. And then COVID hit, COVID-19 hit, and my aunt was failing more and more, and I took an medical leave, which was devastated. It just devastated our entire country because of that. And then sometime after a while, I started to go back working and stuff. Got my self. And now you're hearing during that video, or this video, me throwing something because that's the only other way for this Labrador Retriever you see in previous videos. You know, it's with my friends stuff, and that's the time I actually got my permit to drive and stuff. And it was actually July 7th of 2020. And that's when my friend also had to transfer his ID and stuff, so his IDs and driver license over to the state. Yeah, it was really great. Now, fast forward to now, so you probably realize that from my beginning of my video, my first video, this is where it occurred. So it was. You probably actually get to see this when I actually repeat myself from the post of a video from actually July 7th, I believe, is when I actually gonna tell you that part. But I made the video on July 6th, one day to the date of my expiration of my learner's permit. I actually passed. So now we went full circle. And yes, I actually now been employed with the company for nearly 8 years. And soon, it might eventually reach 10 years of the deployment of the business and stuff. And I'm grateful of being employed with the company. So if we take all the medical leave from what they give me and stuff, I'm nearly been employed with the company for nearly 7 years. She's gonna lose the ball now. And that's virtually it. So, the contest I'm having is if I get 100 subscribers either by the end of July or August by the stroke of noon Mountain Standard Time, I'll be giving away a $5 Amazon digital gift card to one lucky subscriber. My second part is Airplane312 and Grant Travels channel. If both of us hit 1,000 subscribers before December 31st of 2021, a stroke of midnight, so that means it'll be January 1st, we each will give away to one lucky subscriber from each of our channel some merchandise. If it's January 1st and it strikes midnight to turn into January 2nd and we hit the 1,000 subscribers, that'll also be the date of the contest for one lucky subscriber from each of our channels will actually win merchandise from our channel. So virtually that's about it. So like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.